Okay, si Dave Boko and welcome back sa lahat ng channel ko. Ito naman, pinapanood ko ng Netflix si Cameron Wells. Kaya, paborito naman siya ang singer nito sa Los Angeles. Kaya, mas malayo pa din sa billboard nito. Kung ibig sabihin ng pag mag-comment, i-comment na tayo ngayon. Kaya na bahala mag-comment sa video ito. Okay. Subukan natin ng pag-title. Okay. Si Cameron Wells. Mas paborito naman siya sa Netflix kanina. Okay. Subukan mo na inyong lahat ng pinapanood niya ni Cameron Wells. Let's start. Action. Oh, nice computer.
Holler for anarchy, so you better boost up your security. It would take an army to get rid of me. I would take a shot to the head, then no healing. I've been dead, maybe this was fucking thrilling me. Show me what you got, man. I bet it's not a lot. No, you can't really talk when you work around the clock.
Yan ang yung pinaka binabaril naman siya si Keanu Reeves kanina ng John Wick. Tapos ano ba siya sa movie sa John Wick 1 to 4 yun. And then mas maganda yan kaysa mga nanakaw. Okay, let's start.
You don't know what it takes just to build up new mistakes. Hit the gas with no brakes, just to find a new way. I'm not really here to get revenge. I just wanna kill to make it end. I bet you never thought I was
Oh, nice. Sigarilyo naman siya ng mga tao.
I'ma be the one that you
Magsigarilyo naman siya kaysa mga tao. Tapos uubuhin ka na naman yan kaysa ano, ibig sabihin magsigarilyo tayo uubuhin na yan pag mag-usap. sana lang magtambal naman, uminom ka na, mag-solmux. okay, umingan ka na, tama na ang inyong tumatawa. Okay.
So here we go. I'ma light it up and I'ma watch it glow. See the ashes from the black bombs falling up from the glow. I know I'm crazy as we go. This here is God's
Galing naman mag-action naman si Cameron Wells.
I'm just gonna crash.
Yun ang nakaw.
Cash, make a dash from the money in the trash. I'm turning back. Enjoy this life before the face of black. Fading in the Cadillac just to take me where you are. I'm not really here to get revenge.
Ayos
I
ginawa
just
ng
wanna
mga pera
kill
dito.
to make it end. I bet you never thought I was a threat, but I'ma be the one that you regret.
Wow! Ang saya naman. Wow! Nice, pinapatay. Nahulog yung salamin. Booms! Alright. Tutulog siya. tapos na. Guys, mag-follow at subscribe na tayo para tapos na ang pinapanood ng Revenge by Cam Wells. Yun ngayon. Ibig nun, yung dahilan na ba ay magsasanay tayo pag kaysa mga tao ng sa music dahil sa pag 100 na tayo ng viewers, tapos 100 million ng viewers at like at subscribe. Yan. Sige, huwag kayo mag-alala sa pag-follow at subscribe. Love you guys. Sana lang bukas naman tayo gabi. Paalam sa iyo lahat. Thanks for watching.